Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see molding defects, their causes and remedies. During making mold we are getting some defects. So what causes and how to fix it? During making injection molding, the process has few pitfalls, mostly caused from inexpensive solution. Now today here we are going to see few examples of defects, how it occurs, what are the main causes and how to avoid it, that is remedies. All we are going to see in this video. Let's start with the sink mark. A sink mark is a local surface depression that typically occurs in moldings with the thicker sections or at the locations above the rib or bosses and internal fillets. You can see in the image. Now going to see the causes of the sink mark. Low injection and packaging pressure. The other cause will be short hold time and short cooling time due to mass production to meet the customer requirements. High melt or mold temperature, that is also one of the cause of the sink mark. Now we are going to see the remedies, how we can avoid the sink mark. We can increase the injection pressure as well as the holding pressure. Other remedies also to increase the cooling time, increase the size of the gate and the runner. These are the remedies of the sink mark. Now we are going to see the weld line. A weld line, also called as the weld mark or a knit line, is formed when separate melt fronts traveling in opposite direction meet. A melt line occurs if two emerging melt fronts flow parallel to each other and create a bond between them. Now we are going to see the main causes for the weld line. First cause will be the material. Mold too cold, then it can occur the weld line. Injection pressure is too low, and third is the insufficient mold venting. So these are the causes of the weld line. Now we are going to see the remedies. Increase cylinder temperature and overall cycle time need to increase. Increase the injection pressure and improve the venting. In this way we can avoid the weld line. Now we are going to see the jetting. Jetting occurs when polymer melt is pushed at high velocity through the restrictive area such as the nozzle, runner or gate into open thicker areas without forming contact with the mold wall. You can see the image. Now we are going to see the causes of the jetting. Wrong location of gate. If we are placed the gate location at the wrong point. Other is the higher injection speed and gate size is too small, then jetting situation occurs. Now we are going to see how we can avoid that means the remedies. Direct the material to hit the wall. Second, decrease the injection speed, and third is the increase the gate size. In this way, we can avoid the jetting. Next, we are going to see the warpage. Warpage is seen as a distortion in the shape of the molded component and is usually caused by the wrong design of the part or wrong gate location and non-uniform temperature of the surface. You can see in the image. Now we are going to see the causes of the warpage. Uneven mold cooling layout, part design with uneven thickness, and gate location not proper. These are the main causes of the warpage. Now we are going to see the remedies for warpage. Maintain the uniform temperature in mold. Uniform flow pattern we should have to follow. Design part with the uniform wall thickness. These are the main remedies of the warpage. Now we are going to see the flash. What is flash? Flash is a defect where excessive material is found at locations where the mold separates. You can see in the image. Now we are going to see the causes of flash. Low clamping force, then the material at high injection speed, it will come outside. Second is the gap within the mold parting line, and third is the improper venting and material is too hot. These are the main causes of the flash. Now we are going to see the remedies of flash, how we can avoid it. To increase the clamping force, need to inspect the vents, air vents, and clean or regrind the parting faces. Decrease the injection pressure. These are the main remedies of the flash. These are the some of the molded defects, their causes and remedies. Thank you.